Away they go. Doomstead from the outside. Hot Gossip. Yes, Joey. Dugu Sprite. Iskad Missile is the early trailer. Doomstead by about 2 lengths, followed by Hot. Yes, Joey. Forward and moving up by Missile. Doomstead followed now by Yes Joey. Hot Gossip racing in third by about 2 lengths. Dugu Sprite, Scud Missile. And nearing the far turn, Yes Joey is now the leader. Doomstead down on the inside. Then here comes Hot Gossip. Rounding the far turn, Yes Joey. Doomstead. Hot Gossip is on the outside. That's now Hot Gossip from the outside. Yes Joey. Doomstead as they raise the final corner. Oh, Gossip this time by Hapoland. Followed by Yes Joey down on the inside. Dugu Sprite racing on the outside. Doomstead, Scud Missile. Hot Gossip by about 2 lengths. Yes Joey. And nearing the finish line, number 2. Hot Gossip. Second. Close. Dugu Sprite. Yes Joey, Doomstead, and Scud